Is your furry friend in need of a cozy retreat? Look no further. In today's video, we've handpicked the top dog beds available on Amazon to ensure your pup's comfort and well-being. From orthopedic support to luxurious designs, these beds cater to various needs and preferences. Stay tuned as we explore each product, highlighting their unique features and reasons why offers a variety of styles and sizes. Your dog's dream bed might just be a click away. Provide support. Let's dive into the world of K&H in different colors. Known for its calming design, this Donut Cuddler is perfect for dogs who love to curl up. The shaggy fur adds a luxurious touch. A budget-friendly choice with a durable design, this bed provides simple comfort for your dog, suitable for various breeds. With a soft, velvety surface and orthopedic support, this bed is great for dogs seeking comfort. The waterproof liner enhances longevity. Ideal for dogs with joint or mobility issues, this orthopedic bed offers excellent support. The waterproof liner adds durability,